Welcome back. So today's video is all about hair transformations. These are going to be extreme. Some of them are going to be long to short as well as color combinations. So let's jump right into this video. So the first stylist is cutting her hair, and she is going from, I'd say, about mid-length hair or so to a very short bob. Her bob is obviously one-dimensional. There's not a lot of layers or anything of that nature, and that's pretty much it. Like, she's just getting a straight up bob. Like, he didn't even curl it or anything to enhance it. Like, he just cut her hair and that was it. So that's the first transformation. I think that hair color she's rocking is very unique. It's like maroon, or like, I don't know, it's like a weird shade, like purple. Alright, so next we see that same stylist, and he is cutting her hair into a bob. It's funny because all the girls so far that are getting their hair cut by their stylist are just like so, like, they have like no expression. They're just sitting there like, oh, I'm in the video and I'm getting a haircut. Smile, ladies, something. So she's getting the angled bob, long in the front, shorter in the back. Alright, so it's that same stylist, and now this girl's a little bit more fun. She's like, I'm getting my hair done. See, that's how you're supposed to act when you know that you're in the video and you're getting your hair done. Like, you want to seem a little bit animated. Oh, that's cute. I thought she was going to have blunt bangs at first though, but the waves are cute. And she's got like a much shorter, like carefree cut. Alright, same stylist. Oh, she's getting a bob. Okay. Oh no. He's doing an undercut. That's unexpected. Okay. He is just chopping away at her hair. So she's got... Okay, so she's got a bob, I think. Yeah. He's still chopping away at that hair, though. He's like, he just has the shears and he is just going to town. She has some super thick hair, too. So it's like a perfect bob. Longer on one side. Very cute. I'm glad she took her mask off so we can like actually see her face and see how the bob flows. Very cute. I like her outfit too, by the way. Alright, so next, same stylist, and we see someone with red hair. Looks like they're getting a bob. I wonder if she's gonna keep her bangs too. Well, it's kind of like, how can she get rid of them though? Oh, that's pretty. That's like a classic bob right there. Blunt bangs and all. Will she take her mask off so we can see her face? Nah. Okay. Alright, so now it's the same hairstylist, and he is coloring the hair. Oh, wow. So it's red on one side and black on the other. What do they call that trend? Oh, and he long curled it. That's pretty. That's like so, wow. That is like a hair color where you are definitely going to get noticed. That's for sure. Alright, so next transformation is from a different hairstylist. Oh, wow. She looks 10 times better. Wow. She is rocking a fierce pixie now. Alright, so we see someone else. Precision is key. Yes, cut that hair. Use that razor. Trim those bangs. He's like all up in it. Now she has thin hair. Like a lot of time I do these videos and a lot of the people have like thick hair. And you're like, oh, she's got really thick hair. So of course it looks great. But it's nice to see some people with thin hair for a change. Mix a little variety, put it in there. You know, because everybody's hair is not the same. And like a true stylist, he plays in the pixie cut once he's done. Or he plays in the hair once he's done, period. Stylists love doing that. Alright, so we see another older woman. And she is looking like, my hair is tied. But now I got this fresh bob and I'm ready to go. I think he colored her hair too, I'm not sure. But she definitely looks 10 times better. She's like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I look amazing. And she does. That's definitely a win with that haircut. Alright, next. This stylist loves playing in the hair. And she has got some very long curly hair. Whoa, wait a minute. What do you do? Okay, so what is going on here? Oh, she's got the shaved side. Okay, but she's got naturally curly hair, so it's still curly on one side. So this is like a shaved side bob. Huh. Alright, next we see an older woman again. She's getting it cut off. Oh no, you know what? I think I like the before. I'll try to wait to the end, but oh, you know what? Actually, it's starting to look better. Okay, I had to give it a minute. Oh, you know what? Wow. He took a lot of years off of her with this dude. This is hot. I love how there's like, okay, yes. I like this. This is a very cute pixie. In the gray hair color, it's like the silver hair color, I should say. Very pretty. Alright, next up we have someone who's doing a bob. Now she had very long hair. Okay, so he's trimming it. Actually, you know what? This is more of a lob situation. Okay. Very cute. That's like basic haircut. Basic lob. And she also has thin hair. So now he's doing a pixie cut. Not sure what she had before. But this is very cute. I love how she has the face framing layers with the bangs. It's like perfectly framing her face. So cute. Very pretty. Alright, next he's doing some type of, I don't know, I can't tell yet. Her hair is like all clipped up. Okay, why is he cutting like the back? I guess he's like trying to get all the little hairs. Oh my gosh. I love that hair color. With the blunt bangs and the bob. Oh. Wow. That was gorgeous. That was absolutely stunning. I'm like speechless. That was like something you see in a magazine. Wow. Whoa, okay. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this transformation video. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.